This sure looks like a swarm. But since I've seen it, the bees are all just on front of the hive. It's actually two hives. This is the main hive down below. This is a secondary hive on the division screen up above. But they didn't leave. They didn't go across the street. And now it kind of looks like they're going back in. Now, I had a swarm call yesterday, only a few miles from here. And that seemed to be the same story. They came out all over the entrance and went back in. So this is maybe just some kind of spring celebration. It's May 12th. Is that a special holiday for bees? It's a Sunday. And this is the Hex Plex Pagoda Palace, built in November of 2013, filled with bees. The bottom on March 23rd, 2014, and the top, whatever it says there, April 8th, 2014. I just last week rebalanced it. I took an extra box off the smaller hive on top, placed it below the division screen to give more room for the larger hive on the bottom. So it has no queen excluder, still has plenty of room in this bottom hive. They've only been installed less than 2 months, but we had another hive nearby that swarmed, a large swarm that swarmed after 1 month and produced at least 8 queens that we know of. So, and it was a Ware hive, also with abundant drone comb in it. So this might just be a behavior of non-Langstroth hives that have lots of drones and lots of impulses to swarm. They sure look like they're going back in. It's Ollie, Jolly Ollie, over and out.